Efron and Seth Rogen in their new movie, Neighbors. And, look, I know you've been spending a lot of time with these two, but I think they seem like quite the odd pairing, don't they?
They do, but I think that's part of the reason why it totally works. I mean, Seth is, well, he's Seth, and Zach looks, well, take a look for yourself. Can we talk about your body for a minute? How did you get in shape for those short shorts?
It's like wake up, work out, get to set, and hang out and party all day. That was really what we did. But, you know, I was just constantly training.
In honor of their comedy, I quizzed the guys on which of these stars was once in a frat.
Brad Pitt, George Clooney? I'm gonna go George Clooney. George Clooney. Brad Pitt?
Failed miserably with that one. It was Pitt at University of Missouri, Sigma Chi.
I thought he started so young, man.
Yeah, there you go.
Those guys are two ugly pieces of
I last saw these two on the Neighbors set a year ago, and let's just say it was a bit smoky.
Contact on that right now. It's all real. Exactly.
Okay, it really was just a fog machine.
I give you beer pong! Beer pong!
Out May 9th, filming wasn't all that easy. An on-set injury for Zach nearly derailed filming.
I missed a punch. It landed somehow like on the wall, and yeah, I got a boxer's fracture.
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah,
It's swollen.
It's awesome looking.
Are you supposed to do you get a cast on that thing? It looks pretty bad.
In theory, but they said I could get a cast, in which case they would have to rewrite the entire script for me to have a cast.
So, Zach had surgery. A few screws and a metal plate later, he was back on set without a cast.
I would have milked it for a lot more than he did.
More weed!
Okay, you guys were having way too much fun.
What?
Well, but recently, Zach got out of rehab, so was he willing to talk about that?
I asked him about it, and yeah, he said he's doing fantastic. He said he's really come out the other side of this, which is great. But as I started talking to him about it, I was getting the sign to wrap it up, and I was really getting it. So it's obviously still a sensitive subject.
Well, fair enough on that one. Well, so why does everybody seem to be turning on The Bachelor? I don't have words for it.